Follow along on how I do the blowout taper. So for his neck taper, we're going to create our bald line a little below the bottom of the ear and go straight across. Remember that you just have to visualize the taper beforehand to know what steps to take. And now we're going to come in with our clipper lever all the way open. We are going to use the number 1 guard lever open to create another guideline about inch wide. Now we're going to come in with our 2 guard lever open, trying to blend into that length as best as possible, still going up about a finger's width. And we're just working our way down until we get this line blended out, using the number 3 guard open, fading up and out away from his occipital bone. I play around with the lever going over areas to clean out and blend as much possible to finish it up with the thinning shears. Now use the number 2 guard closed. Using the 1.5 guard lever closed. And even though we don't want to go up too high, we want to make sure that we're stretching out this taper and not making it look too bunched up. My preference, I like doing tapers that show. Using the corners of clippers and the angle you hold while cutting is important. Use the 1/2 guard open. Use the 1/2 guard closed. Using the wall clipper with no guard lever open. Blend out the line between 1/2 guard and lever open until you see guidelines softening up. You want to close the lever gradually, all the way down, until all lines are gone. There are many techniques to fading. Once you picked up one, stick to it because it will allow you to move quick through your cuts. Now for that line under, we're going to come in 1.5 lever open. This is going to be the blend before the thinning shear. Now to clean up with the thinning shears to blend out and smooth out the blend. For the line work, I like using my favorite trimmers as of now, which are the Stylecraft Sabers. I do have a diamond blade on there. I start the line work usually behind the ear before it starts rounding and line it going down. You don't want a client sitting in the barber chair for a long period of time. For the mid-taper, I start out with my first guideline at the top ear where the ear and head connect. Clipper lever all the way open. Lining up work, I start from the side at the horizontal position, and then I move up to the top of the C-cup to then connect the two. I use the thinning shear to blend out the taper. We're going to use our shaver, and this is just going to make that taper last extra couple days. Hit that subscribe button for more.